I've got these nasty tyres and I'm going to put them onto this radio-controlled motorbike. Check that out, man. That just looks evil. I've also got a set of racing slicks. I want to see if we can break the UK speed limit of 70 miles an hour. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Jesus! And, by the way, you can win a brand new Lossy Pro Moto and everything you see behind me. So I've set up a competition where one of you viewers can win all of these RC cars. The winner will get all of them. So you've got a Traxxas XRT, Traxxas Max Slash, Traxxas X Max, Armour Creighton 6S, the Lossy Pro Moto, Traxxas UDR, Associated MT10, Armour Infraction 6S, the Traxxas M41 boat, and a Traxxas TRX4. That's worth around $7,000, and one of you viewers is going to win all of them. So check out the link down in the description box if you want to win all of that lot. This is the Lossy Pro Moto, the best radio-controlled motorbike that I've ever seen. On top of that, it's got a whole load of aluminium upgrades from GPM and a massive motor. I've already had 70 miles an hour out of this, so no idea what's going to happen with those paddle tyres. Let's get him on there. So to get him on there, really simple job. Just got to take the wheel off, take the sprocket off, fit it back on, and then go rip. What do you reckon? You like that? Boom! There we go. Ready for action. So you know when we did that 70 mile an hour, that was on these tyres here. So here, I've got a set of racing slicks. So we'll shove them on there later and see how fast it can go. Hopefully more than 70 miles an hour. Right, enough waffle. Let's go rip. Come on, Ginge. Let's go. Boom, here we are on location, stupidly windy. I've got some new microphones on here that I'm testing out. Hopefully they're going to be good. Here we go, you can hear him winding up. Oh, that's on 3S, that can do 6S. Here we go. Man, that's picking up rocks everywhere. Oh no, oh. Cheers, Jim. It's actually really difficult to ride over these rocks. Ah, what? I'm not sure if these like all these big rocks. We'll get you on the beach later. I want some sand. All right, here we go. Ah, covered. I tell you what, it's probably worth wearing safety glasses for these things. You take one of these stones in the eye, it hurts. Oh! Oh, stones in the face. On the back wheel. In a minute, we'll head over to the beach and see how he goes on sand. I think that's really what these tyres are for. Here's Ian's stock Pro Moto. Stock tyre. Still rips, doesn't it? Hey! Oh, 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 oh! Oh! How? Let me know what you think of the audio. It definitely cuts the wind noise out a lot, but it does muffle the RC noise. So, I don't know. What do you reckon? Oh! Did I get ya? Where? Really? Oh, sorry, dude. What do you reckon? Man, these tyres are evil. Everyone in like a 25-metre radius gets completely destroyed. Oh, in the face. Sorry, did I get you as well? So those tyres all the way from there and still got them over there. Sorry. And the lender's got it as well. Everything's got it. Don't forget you can win all of this lot. Link in description box. Here we go. Beach time. Boom. Here we are. Next location. If you look on here, look. Sand.
What are you doing to him?
What happened? Ah.
Oh, Dead! Can't be dead already.
Oh, the motor's come disconnected. Oh, smell in there, dude.
Oh, she smells burny. That's just the motor's it's just a cable.
Hopefully. Oh, man. So we're going to quickly fix it, then fit these Supermoto tyres, and then see how fast this thing can go on 6S. Here we are, shop RC man. Oh, new plane.
Yeah, man. 1.7 metre wingspan.
Have you flown it before?
No, I'm a novice.
What's going to happen? Oh, dear. Let's get inside of it and see what the problem is.
Oh, it's all buried. Oh yeah, look, it's come unsoldered.
Ah, yes. Get that back on and back in action. So while it's apart, look, you see all the GPM upgrades in there. There's the massive Castle 6S, well, 6S ESC. Motor's probably only rated for 3S. You can see that one's come off, but even this one's melted a little bit. So maybe less full throttle on sand next time.
Get a bit of Razzie on the go.
Oh, the old Razzie Perfect Pass soldering station.
That's quality.
If you want to know more about this soldering station, I'm going to put a link to that down below. What?
Dude, look down here. It's like the worst soldering I've ever seen.
It's on there, isn't it?
Come on. What's that?
What's on there, dude? It's on. Let's get these on-road tyres on there and see how fast it's going to go. And don't forget, one of you lucky viewers is going to win all of that. Link down below in the description box. Right, let's get him on there. Boom! Boom, here we are, speedrun location. First of all, we're going to go for 3S. Here, I've got a Onyx 6S racing pack. I've wrapped it all up in loads of plastic and stuff to protect it. It's not going to fit in there. We have to stick it on the back. What do you reckon's going to happen to the tyres, dude?
Expand, because look how soft they are. They're not going to last 5 minutes.
You don't reckon?
No, look. Which we find out.
Ah! Arlo's got it.
Just send it.
You can have a go in a minute.
Okay.
There's something not right with it. It's going that way. Hold on, look, the trim.
Steering trim, yeah.
Ah, fell over again. Right, Robbie's having a go. This thing is so hard to ride. There's something wrong with it. Something's not right. The forks are bent. Right, Robbie's doing the trim.
Should I just send it?
Yeah, just send it. That's on 3S. Is he out of range? Kevin needs exercise. Oh, Arlo, bloody hell, you're fast. Look at his little legs go. How fast do you go, Arlo? 51 mile an hour. So that was on a 3S LiPo. So now, let's make it 6S. Double the power. Here we go, Onyx 6S Racing Pack Power, baby. So we've got bent forks on the front here, but luckily we can use them to our advantage. We can push that down, it'll stay down, so that should make it more stable.
0.
0. Who's driving it? I reckon you. You've got it better than me.
I'll drive it.
Yeah.
Give me the remote.
Bobby's driving
Boom.
it. Give him a little rev. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Jesus! I just popping wheelies. So look how fast he went. What did he get? Oh, 69! I think we got 69 last time. We need to get 71 to break the UK speed limit. That was the last goal and we're nearly there. Oh my God! Oh,
Tyres blown.
There we go, 0. We gotta get 71, that's all I wanna see.
Ready?
I'm ready. That is moving. Oh, and it popped a wheelie. Oh, there's smoke out the back tyre.
I would say this tyre's done.
That looked fast.
That was fast, dude. That was full throttle.
How fast do you reckon it went?
I reckon about 71, 72.
It popped a wheelie.
It went boom.
Right, I don't know, look fast. Hopefully we got 71. What did we get? What did we get? Oh!
Yeah, 77!
Yes! 77 mile an hour. Boom!
Oh, it smells funky, man.
Give it a rev and see if it's will move. Oh, don't move.
Oh,
is it finished?
ESC's gone. I could smell something. Yeah, that's definitely what the bloom of smoke was. Did you see it?
Yeah, I thought it was tyre smoking.
So did I, but it must have been the ESC.
Go then plug him back in, see what happens.
Yeah. ESC's gone.
Game over, but overall, great success.
100 mile an hour challenge.
So you reckon it's got 100 mile an hour in it?
It's doable.
I reckon.
It's going to be a lot of work.
You have to do a lot of work. 8S, bigger ESC.
Yeah. Move the battery location.
So let me know, guys, if you want to see this bike go to 100 mile an hour. It's a lot of work. And if you guys want to see it, maybe I'll do it. So comment down below in the description box if you want to see me do a project of this going to 100 mile an hour. Do you want to win one of my RC cars? Click here. Click here to subscribe and become part of the crew. It's free. Or click here to see one of my other videos.